The Mother Bulgaria Monument in the central square of Veliko Tarnovo is a monument to national pride and the spirit of the country. The monument was created by sculptor Svetoslav Yotsov in memory of the many soldiers who died in various battles during the country's turbulent history. At the top of the monument, on a pedestal, is a kneeling woman representing Mother Bulgaria with a crown on her head. She holds in her right hand the national flag and in the left an olive branch. Lower on the monument, surrounding the obelisk on the four sides, are four bronze statues of soldiers, each one representing a different conflict in Bulgaria's history. The Russian-Turkish War of 1877 to 1878, the Serbo-Bulgarian War of 1885, the First Balkan War of 1912 to 1913, and the First World War from 1915 to 1918. Inside the base of the monument is an eternal flame. The monument was funded by donations from the citizens of Veliko Tarnovo, and it was inaugurated in May of 1935. Almost immediately after the communists took control of Bulgaria, on September 9, 1944, the crown was taken down from the head of the statue, since it was considered to be a symbol of the monarchy. It wasn't until the end of the communist rule in 1989 when the crown was put back in its place. On 1 November 2012, the 25-kilogram crown was restored and plated in gold for the anniversary commemoration of 100 years since the start of the Balkan War. It is a local secret that the model for the Mother Bulgaria statue at the top of the monument was actually a local student from Veliko Tarnovo, born in 1911. She was also the sister of the famous Bulgarian artist Vladimir Gavalchev. Her meeting with the monument sculptor Svetoslav Yotsov not only changed the look of the monument, but it also changed her life, as she ended up marrying him.